Man v Gates. Impressed.
No.
Do you know what your head hurts?
Why?
Because it's 1:15 and you still haven't had your coffee.
Good point.
Maybe you should crack it.
What, going down this lane?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, there it is. Let's go for the latte. I'll go for the weaker one. Should I have my sandwich or?
I'm probably not right now.
That's
but...
what I thought.
Fair enough. Ready?
Just keep an eye on the lane, so I don't think it's on Google.
Funny that.
Make sure we don't go wrong and all that.
Alright.
I do think this car does run a bit smoother without the grabby hill descent.
Yeah, I think it does depend on the hill.
Yeah.
I think on a bigger hill, then it's worth it. But equally, on the flip side, this is a smooth enough hill that you've you've got time to sort of control it yourself.
Yep.
Whereas I feel like sometimes you kind of haven't so much.
Yeah.
I presume it goes round, yeah.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, that was very proper. That's correct.
You are correct. I can't believe that. I think this is a UCR.
Really?
I think so.
Wow.
I could be wrong. Without checking my notes.
Bizarre, isn't it?
You definitely be. Some of these would be fascinating in the wet.
Wouldn't they?
When we get new tyres, I look forward to.
Yeah.
Quite like what I've catched. We want to go straight.
Straight.
Yeah, I believe so.
Really?
I'll tell you if we're going wrong, but according to my map,
No way.
might be wrong.
That's got to be that way. I'm sorry, that is not that way at all.
Good point.
Not
Well
a chance
called.
in hell.
Yeah. To be fair, this did look logical. As soon as you started to commit, I was like, yeah, this seems more logical to go along here.
I'm going to guess
definitely
by
a
those
build.
tyre tracks, a few people
Yeah.
have gone, oh.
Well, the thing is, both could have been right because you could have gone straight the other side of the fence.
But then you get stuck, so.
Put my coffee down.
No.
'Cause I'm guessing I'm going to be needed for gate duty.
I can do it if you want.
I'm on it.
I think there might be sometimes cows in this field, but there isn't cows.
Plus, that gate back there, that latch,
looked hard.
that was 2 hands for me. That was not a one-handed operation.
Was that a two-handed operation?
That was a 2-handed operation. Warning.
Keep the dogs on lead, okay?
I got people on a lead. Sad for you.
Sad for you. How's she going to get the next gate?
Well, that's what I was wondering, because we've got the choice. We can either catch up and help her out or sit here for a bit.
We'll take a mosey, because I'm not just going to sit here. Did you get your picture?
Yeah, I got a quick picture. I got one.
I just saw a horse coming from behind, and I thought, oh, you know.
I was in such a dilemma. I was like, but I want my pictures, and I was like, oh. Maybe she can navigate the horse to get close to the gate. She said this comes out of Gumley, don't it? I was like, I think so.
She's totally going to wait, isn't she? Oh no, she's getting on. Wow, she can do it on the horse. That's clever, isn't it?
It's alright, we can go that.
I wish she did a little thumbs up. She seemed very polite.
She seems Irish.
Oh really?
Yeah. I was about to say why man. It's Newcastle, isn't it?
Yeah. She left the gate open and put her thumb up.
I have no idea how she's managed to do that gate, because that was a bit of a struggle for me.
Oh. Do you think it's easier to just walk the horse up there?
I can imagine. I'm starting to wonder if there's just loads of gates.
Ah.
Either that, or we're going to catch her up and overtake her.
Makes you wonder. I was just thinking to myself though, isn't it funny how, like, the Grand National, prime example,
Yeah.
you think, I'm purposely not going too quick to try not to catch her. The Grand National, right, you watch horses jump gates. Why can't you just sit on the horse and, like, get the horse to jump the fence or
That
the
is
gate?
true.
Or
Could you
obviously they
imagine?
jump fences, not gates, don't they? You know what I mean? Oh, that gate's got other ideas. Why is that?
Because it bears round, and it could be there, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
So it's like she might be along the right lines as to where we want to go.
It's okay. I thought she was going to get the horse to hold the gate then. Kate has literally got other ideas.
The horse is like, that car's catching up with herself.
Looks like it goes right.
Yeah, that's correct. And then you'll have to bear with me once we're along here.
Yeah, I'm just going to stop just her.
Cool. And all that jazz.
Yeah.
You're getting better with these hill starts.
I'm getting there slowly, aren't
And
I?
that was in hill, mud ruts.
I was in mud ruts.
Oh, well done you.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, she was a very lovely lady.
She was very polite, wasn't she? I couldn't hear what she was saying, but it sounded polite.
She turned around and I said, "Do you want me to get the gate for her?" She said, "Oh, would you?" She was saying about like falling off on the last like thing or something. I was like,
I don't envy horse riders because it can't be fun, can it?
no. I'm just surprised there's not more easy thing for horse riders.
Ah.
So I can imagine a lot of them ones with the big bars on top are for
Yeah.
horse riders.
Probably been added by horse riders.
Yeah.
Was that another gate? I bet she looked to see if we were behind as
Yeah.
well. That's how polite she was in like leaving the gate open and things as well,
Very much so.
which is always quite nice. I really could do that.
Maybe she went through there.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe the horse could fit. Could you imagine at this point if we got to a gate now and it's like we can't open it?
Oh, that'd be so
Like, it's
annoying.
locked.
That would be so annoying. Oh. Didn't think I went quick enough.
You speedy
Must
Gonzales.
have done. Must have done.
Must have done, must have
That
done.
one looked a bit confusing.
Yeah, some of these gates, they should not trust an idiot with them.
No?
Because people like me get confused. I can
I think
master them
I
both.
looked at that and I got confused and I wasn't even like doing the game. Oh, that gate's done with being game.
Wow, that's having a nap.
Yes.
I'm hoping that'd be nice if that's the last gate we have to do, but
I wouldn't set your hopes too high.
no.
Oh, that looked fun.
Yeah, it is. Ready? Welcome back to civilization. Oh.
She found someone to talk to. That horse is so nice.
Yeah. That dog is not happy in there. Oh, they've got a horse as well.
It's just a really pretty horse, isn't it? Which way is it?
It's round to the right,
Round to
sorry.
the right.
Can I just say, there's a lot of money around here.
Mm.
You can smell the money.
Literally, look at that. How much
Exactly.
must that be worth?
You can smell the money. Don't mind the keys.
Literally, like,
£1,000,000 at least.
Easily.
Another one, million,
they're all
over
the
a million.
same, aren't they? That garage alone would be worth like
500,000.
$250,000.
This house here, quarter like $500,000. No, $1 million.
You know that you've not got problems at that point, innit?
Every one of these houses in this area probably $1 million. We'll be going round to the right, and then it'll be literally immediately left. So round to the right.
Yeah. Come back here.
It's funny with Google Maps, I have to keep going from like map view to satellite view to get a rough idea of where everything is. Nice little short one to round this little trip off.
What?
And a burp.
What we have for dinner tonight?
Oh,
I think a roast.
gammon and chips.
You don't even eat
I
gammon.
don't eat gammon. Yeah, but it sounds posh. A vol au
A
vent.
sirloin snake and dauphinoise
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Oh, what? Another gate.
Another gate. This looks like a wooden gate. How
They-
old school?
They like their gates around
They
here.
really do, don't they?
Oh, I almost wish we could play out there. See if we can get up the hill.
Totally could.
Can we get permission from the farmer
Yeah, why not?
and the tractor on standby?
When we get stuck halfway.
Let's face it, we're going to get stuck or roll the car.
No, we wouldn't. Because I'm a
By the way, when do I get my sandwich?
You can have it whenever you like.
Well, I can't because I keep getting out of the car.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I'm on it.
Or stop being grumpy, Dad.
Stop being
Your head
grumpy.
feels better, I can tell, because you've got grumpy. Prefer it when you have an headache. I wish you could turn that off. You probably can, to be fair.
You probably can. What you do is you tap your head twice, run around in a circle and do 5-star jumps. It disables it.
The human or the car?
The human.
Ready?
Steady. Oh, I thought you were going to stall it then.
I'm
Thought we'd have to do a practice start.
I'm a professional. That would not happen. I'm running in the mud just because I can.
Yeah, you can.
Just because you can doesn't mean you should.
Yeah.
But then you drive a 4x4, so you can. And you do.
So whatever.
Like sandwich now.
Almost. We're almost at a pier point. I can have my sandwich. Just because you're worth that. We definitely need a camera in here so people can actually realise why I'm saying these things. I don't just sound like a crazy person.
But you say that I'm worth it, which is amazing. It just means you're being a supportive individual.
Aren't I just? I'll support you whenever you need.
You're my mental supporter.
Yeah.
Something like that anyway.
Watch the sticks.
Literally, I can't believe you used to tell me to drive around sticks.
I just love the way where we've come from in our last like solo out like Greenlaning thingy majig to kind of where we are now.
And I'm still going like, oh no, I'm going 10 mile an hour. I thought I was going really slow then.
Well, back then when we had no underbody protection or like very minimal road tyres, and we were literally doing it on a whim.
We was.
Lanes like this would have scared us.
I don't think we ever went solo Greenlaning before we had all terrain, you know.
Well, maybe, I don't know, but regardless, it's like we didn't have half this stuff that we do now.
It's more the knowledge, isn't it?
And also, it's the fact of glass.
Oh, that grass is so green.
Oh, that is lovely. Having glass is amazing.
Yes.
Because we didn't have that. I think we had
we did. We did.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we had the other one.
Yeah, we'd had the other one as well, but we haven't done anything pre-glass.
Yeah.
That's so pretty.
Isn't it?
They're both so
By the way, 2 million.
Yeah.
Not
I'd
that
say
the camera
4
can
for the
see
bigger
that,
one.
but that's just stunning. I'm jealous. Like, if you live here and you watch our videos, which you won't, I'm jealous of your life.
Oh, is that the
By
end?
the way, this is the end. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, comment, notifications, Instagram.
It's got an Alana 4x4 on Instagram.
Yeah. You don't know where you're going, so it's fine. Do star jumps.
Yeah.
Extra points for star jumps.
Yeah.
And big points for comments.
And eat lots of cake, because cake is good, especially chocolate cake. The end. Goodbye. Say bye.
Goodbye.